We speak to the victims of the hurricanes that have occurred. Oh yes, of Harvey, of Emma, of Maria. We speak to you of these tragedies because we would like you to realize that those who have suffered in the past due to hurricanes such as Hugo or Katrina, those who have suffered in the present due to these hurricanes, be they in Texas, Florida, or Puerto Rico, or be they today in Alabama and Mississippi and New Orleans, wherever they be, we tell you this surely. The suffering is the same. Suffering is not measured in deaths, for those who die do not suffer. It is those who live that suffer. Only a fool measures suffering in death, for in death there is rest. In life there is agony and work. In life there is suffering. In life there is joy. In life there is search. In life there is finding. But there is none of these things in death, neither good nor bad in this world. So those who measure a worldly catastrophe by the number of deaths miss the point entirely, for a catastrophe is measured in the suffering of the present, not those who have been laid to rest. God loves you. God loves each and every one of you. There is hopeful tomorrow, and you are that hope. Despite your suffering, despite your agony, it is you who will build tomorrow. You are the creator of your destiny. You are the hope for tomorrow. If you have no electric, if you have no water, if you have no food, you are still alive. And it is the living who are the hope for tomorrow. It is the living who are the creators of destiny. It is the living who rebuild. It is those who suffer that eliminate suffering. God loves you. The world is yours. Live while you have life to live, for life is yours to seize. We leave you with blessings and with peace. Peace be with you.